Hey, my friend, I hope that you are having a good day. Hey, my friend, today we are going to make a delicious food. Yes, we are going to cook, and because we need to know new flavors, and it's necessary to cook today. And what is the recipe for today? Today we are going to cook a delicious pork. Yes, it's correct. Today we are going to cook pork and we are going to fry a delicious bananas green. Here in Colombia, this is a typical food. They are a routine, a food routine. And okay, what are our ingredients for this recipe? Of you, our pork, our protein. We are going to use bananas, green bananas for our chips. We are going to use garlic, laurel, oregano, salt, cucumber. We are going to use the cucumber for our salad. We are going to make a healthy salad. Onion, tomatoes, and those are our ingredients. Wait a moment and let's to prepare our delicious food. Okay, my friends, the first step to make our delicious pork is take the pork, yes, and we are going to add salt, laurel, oregano, and we are going to crush the garlic. But you don't have way, and I'm going to make it. And wait a moment. Okay, my friends, the next step is season our pork, and we are use garlic, crushed garlic. Okay, we add the crushed garlic to our pork. Okay. Yes, we add our garlic, and I love the herbs in the food. In this case, I have oregano. I agreed a bit of oregano. Laurel. The herbs give a delicious flavor to the food, and I love use it in my recipes. The garlic is important for the food because it's the ingredients that more flavor give to all preparation, and the most important, the salt. I love the salt. Yes, we add the salt. This is my style. This is my style to add the salt. Something like like a chef. Okay, we have our pork ready for the grill. We are going to prepare our pork in the grill in a grill. Okay, this is the second step. And for another way, we are going to cutting the bananas to make our chips of bananas. Wait a moment. Yes. The next step is cut our bananas in pieces, in 2, 3, or 5 pieces to can fry. We are going to make the called patacones. A medium size. Okay, we are going to boil our oil to can fry our potatoes, and to run the kitchen to take our pork to the grill. Is fry our bananas and grill our pork. And the next step is make our delicious salad. Olive oil, only a bit. Okay, my friends, we take our pork and we put it in our skillet. Oh, delicious. In our other skillet, we are to put our bananas in the oil. The oil is warming and have a temperature adequate. Now we are going to make a basic salad. We are going to use potatoes, onion, and cucumber. Okay, we cut the potatoes, the onion, and the cucumber in slices. All is in slices. Have cut our vegetable, our cucumber, our tomatoes, and our onion. And the next step is only mix our vegetable and our salad is ready. Okay, smash our chips of bananas. Okay, we can use a plate. Okay. This is our final result about our recipe of today. I hope that you have enjoyed doing and making our recipe, and I want to you try in your house. You try make this recipe in your house. Enjoy it. This is delicious. And in this recipe are a mix between roast or grilled food, fried food, and healthy food. But all is delicious food. Have a good day, my friends. Bye bye.